Okay, so this is gonna be my bike check. I've seen some comments, requests for it. I just got done putting this thing together a couple of weeks ago, and put a couple hours riding on it, so I can give you a little detail about some of the new parts and their quality. Couple things I got. Brand new. I got a new back hub. The Stinger hub, the driver blew up on it, and have fun finding one of those. Driver, I mean. I got new cranks because the other one stripped out on me. Might have been my fault. No comment. And new paint, obviously, you can see. And my lighting is badass. So yeah, I guess I'll start out with the frame. Frame's a 2008 NS Capital. In my opinion, that's the best year they made them because the seat's not integrated like the new ones, or the seat post. Sorry, I like to be able to raise my seat and put it down or whatever. What else? And the older models have standard headset. I'm not sure. I think they made a 2009 model, but I'm not 100% on that. Haven't really seen any, so they might not have. I'm not sure, but yeah. I really like this frame. Wouldn't trade it for anything. Next up is the... Here, I'll take this off the tripod. Next up is the NS RNS fork. It's my rigid fork. It's pretty friggin' strong. Makes it feel like a big old BMX. Handlebars are NS District 3s, 4-inch rise, and I cut them down. I'm not sure what I cut them down to, but yeah. I'll start from the top here. The main parts are done. Got the ODI extra long grips. Yeah, I kept the flange on this time to try it out. I don't mind them. Animal plastic bar ends. I like the way they flow with the grip. Make it look really clean. Demolition Monarch stem, top load. Really like that. Chrome. Here's my top cap, NS. Get that to focus. There you go. Odyssey headset. Whatever, spacers, I don't know. My Subaru band. Fuck yeah. Front wheel, Odyssey hazard light. Laced to Odyssey Vandero 2 hub. You see it there. With whatever spokes, Sapum, yeah. And regular, I guess medium length spoke nipples. Maybe even long. Who knows? Who cares? That's a Mike Aitken K-Lite tire, I think. Yeah, something like that. And that is 2.25. See it? Look at the light over here. 24.2.25. Blah blah blah. Odyssey Aitken fancy. Moving back, we got the Federal Lacy seat with a 1664 seat post and some wedges in there because this tube here is wider than regular BMX size tubing. Drivetrain, I got a Odyssey JCPCs. I just actually tightened these pedals. You see each one of those is little Allen key, I guess 4mm. It's actually no bearings, so you don't get wobble or anything. Even I had the sealed whatchamajigger pedals, Odyssey, some trail mix, yeah. I had those sealed, still rattled on me. These are actually 2 pieces of plastic, you see the seam there, sandwiched on the axle with grease. And there used to be a whole lot of grease there, oozing out. But yeah, it's like a bushing. instead of bearing. So as you can see, I will focus up on this and I'll hit it. Doesn't spin for very long, which I love, because why would you want your pedals to spin while you're in the air? That's horrible. Bike almost fell. I have the Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, socket drive with the Killington, and you see the paint. I'll try to get a better lighting on it. Paint rubbing off already. These cranks have less than 24 hours on them. I don't know why paint's come off already. Kind of sucks, but whatever. Mechanics half-link chain. I like half-link chains because my chain stays are pretty short and it gives me a lot of room to make adjustments, small adjustments. Back rim is a Odyssey hazard light laced to a Primo Remix rear hub, female. 9-tooth driver. Oh yeah, and the Killington's a 25-tooth. 25/9 ratio. This hub sounds so solid. Like, there's a lot more clicks than a regular 3-pole hub or whatever, like a V3 or something, but yeah, so she engages real good. Haven't had it skip, haven't had it make a noise, nothing. So yeah, and also my bottom bracket is a Primo bottom bracket, which I don't like because they give you shitty spacers. Try to focus in, I'll take the lens off here. You see how thin that spacer is? Actually, that one's not even bad. It's this one. Or the cup, or the cone. That's what you want to call it, the cone. Cone is tiny. I don't know why they give you tiny cones. You need big cones. Less of those stupid chrome spacers, but they look badass still. Okay, so yeah. Same tire. Front and back, Odyssey, K-Lite, like Aiken. K-Lite or P-Lite or some shit. Both 2.25. So yeah. That's that. And actually, I'll show you, since I have it here, what happened to the Stinger hub. So here I have it. I will focus in on this bitch. Okay, so you see this bolt, or this, try to get the lighting here. There. This, this one here is as tight as it can be. Well, probably not as tight as it can be, but it's damn tight. And this driver goes up and down and side to side. Ridiculous. This hub is not worth $200. Don't waste your money. It's bullshit. If you're gonna pay $200 for noise like I did, well then that's your choice, I guess. But I wouldn't buy this hub again, which is why I didn't. No bearings have gone on it, but just the driver. And there's actually a piece that got mangled up inside of this. I had to pull it out. I rode with it like this for a couple hours. It was pretty bad. So yeah, that is the bike check and a little update on my bike. So yeah, hope I didn't forget anything. If I did, whatever. I'll see you in the next one.